driving for now.
Well, we have to get the top up on this car in case it starts raining again.
Yeah, I'd hate to get all wet and disgusting.
Come on, guys. Let's just try and pull up the top ourselves.
It's broken.
We know that! Does your brother have any tools in the car?
I think in the trunk.
Open the trunk. Oh! What is this?
Don't worry, they're not real feet.
But why does your brother have a bag of fake feet in the trunk of his car?
I'm not gonna lie, my brother's pretty weird.
Let's just see if we can get the top up.
Oy.
Help me. Okay, it's loose. Now let's pull up that top.
What?
Our car is topless.
You know, let's just go back to LA.
Yes.
No! You guys promised we could go to Mona Patterson's house so I could light a candle and leave it by our front door.
But Kat,
Please.
come on. It's already late and we need to get back to LA so we can finish our science project.
Tori.
What?
Can I have a ride to your house?
No. No, we're driving our friend to San Diego.
When are you going to San Diego?
You know. No!